It's almost 6 in the evening, and tomorrow I'm having my science pre-board 3 exam. I just gathered all the resource books that I can and bought all the important notes that I have made during the time of holidays. And now it's time to prepare for the exam, and let's see how the result is gonna be. Let's get started. I'm just revising all the notes that I have made previously for this pre-board examination. And something emotional I want to share with you is my 10th grade is done. It's not yet done. I still need to write my boards, but today was the last day at my school. And it's really a kind of emotional damage because friends, yeah, I'm gonna miss them a lot. School life is the best life because in 11th grade, many seniors are saying that we won't even get time. So, next 2 years, we have to just concentrate on our studies because the next 2 years will shape our life. And this was the memorable year, and yes, I'm surely gonna miss them. Some of you are saying that you are preparing as if you're preparing for an UPSC exam. Guys, what I'm studying, what we are studying is not just for grades or percentage. We are studying for gaining knowledge. This knowledge may be useful for our future also because anything, any subject it is, these are just the basics. So, guys, let's study for knowledge, not to impress our parents with our marks and grades. This time, first I started with chemistry because in chemistry, the equations and reactions, we easily forget all of them, but no worries. That is why I started with chemistry now. And for every other lesson, I just did important questions from Physics Wala channel. That helped me a lot because those questions are covering the entire chapter. So that was helpful. And here I'm just writing down the entire, whatever I've just studied, I'm just filling that in my notebook so that, see, this is the best revision technique. Wherever, whichever YouTube you see, even though it is Shobit Nirwan, any other YouTube channel, they have said, जो कुछ भी पढ़ा उसको paper पे निकाल दे. Then that is how you are gonna find whether you have done the chapter clearly or not. That is the best way to revise your chapter. And many of you say that what are you writing every time you keep on writing? Guys, that is not called writing, and that is not called panno ko palatna. But what I am doing here is just revising the topic whatever I have learned. So guys, I'm done with acids, bases and salts. I have made my own notes without even looking into the book. I have quickly written the notes in a very short form. You guys can see pH in daily life. Salts is one of the important topic in our board examinations in our chemistry, acids, bases and salts ka topic. My ma'am keeps saying that learn the preparation of salts and chloralkali process also. So I'm done with acids, bases and salts. So now, as chemistry became boring for a while, we will just move on to physics and finish off human and the colorful world. But before that, I want to take a small break, so I'll make 2 minutes Maggie. Guys, the actual person cooking is my brother, so the whole credit goes to him, not to me. Once it is done, I'll just have and I'll just continue my science. Whatever our age is, we cannot miss watching our favorite TV show Shinchan while having our snacks, and that is what I'm doing. And I just can't waste my time watching this show, so I just started with light reflection and refraction chapter because ये वाला chapter में ray diagrams are very important. Numericals mostly come from this chapter only, and yeah, in our pre-board 3 also 2-3 numericals came from this chapter. They will ask us to draw a ray diagram and show us prove this question so and so, and magnification का concept is very important. Sign convention is super important, so please concentrate on this. Ray diagrams के rules याद रखना. And many members are feeling very anxious, and they are saying that I have still not started my syllabus and half of my syllabus is not yet covered. So to make myself and you guys motivated, I am gonna share a famous quote said by APJ Abdul Kalam. He said, all birds find shelter during a rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above the clouds. The only thing is we should not give up and we should not allow the problems to defeat us. In the same way, syllabus complete करने के लिए we still have the entire month of February. We are still left with 25 to 26 days. So guys, never give up. Even though you will not study it now, you have got a lot of holidays for each and every exam. Even though you plan well between those days, you can just get 90% above. So never give up, always try your best until the end. Here I'm not rewriting my notes once again, I'm just revising all the concepts. Okay guys, so when I talk about SST, the most irritating subject. I know that. So, guys, you guys hate social. Sometimes I also hate social. But the reason why I started loving social is that I started, like, I just got curiosity, like, what is gonna happen next, especially in history. If we study one part, we will be curious to know what happened in the second part. So, there are some tips to get curiosity in your studies. First of all, be curious yourself. Like, whenever you're studying a topic, ask questions for yourself, ask funny questions which will make the topic more easier for you to learn. And then you can just present new information in chunks, like you can make notes in such a way that you will easily understand it. You can visualize the topic, especially history, then economics also, then you have geography, then you have civics. Shobit Nirvan, why does he make colorful notes? Why do the notes look funny sometimes? So that we can increase our curiosity in learning. So that is what you have to do. Increase your curiosity. Find out some tips that will increase your curiosity in your studies. So do that. And guys, apart from this board exams, we are done with our school life. And that's the most emotional part, right? Yes. And I'm having my farewell on February 10th. I'll try my best to cover it as a vlog, but let me just think. And Feb 13th को हम जा रहे Vargal, just like a temple, Saraswati Mata का temple है वो. That was a sentiment of our school since past few years that every batch who went to Saraswati Mata temple at Vargal never failed. And obviously, who's gonna fail? Everyone are having that zeal that yes, we will rock this time. Everyone are having a zeal that yes, we will get 90% above this time. And you guys rock, I will rock. I wish you all a very all the best and wish me good luck in the same way in the comment section. Comment section is always open for you guys. You are free to ask any question you can, and I'll make sure to cover that in my next video. Okay, take care. Bye-bye. Hey, wait. You can't leave my channel so early. I have one more tip for you all. Don't forget to concentrate on MCQs, guys. You will write the exam. Subjective को तू इतना अच्छा लिखता है और फिर marks जब आते हैं, अरे यार, why did I get this much less? अरे, where did you cut off my marks, ma'am? You will go and shout it up. But realize that you have lost some marks in MCQs because it covers 20 marks. You have got assertion and reasoning. So guys, concentrate on MCQs. Okay, bye-bye.